Y'all, we day 2. Man, yesterday my allergies were tearing my butt up, so I went this morning and picked up this new Dremel corded one. Man, I've been missing out, man. This thing here, boy. Woo! Got some serious torque, and I also got some allergy medicine. So I ain't gonna waste y'all time today talking, man. I'm just about to get to it. I'm about to get all these pieces grinded down so I can shoot primer on them and get them ready to paint. So let me just set y'all up on time lapse. I'll be back once I get them all down to where I need it to be.
Crank Lucas in the building.
And I love this this new Dremel, but I also like this little bit right here. Yep. Yesterday I was only using this one right here for the big surfaces, but I don't have any of these, so when I bought the new one, it came with that. It pretty much got. I'm trying to get this smooth. Well, not that part. This part smooth, because this is what you're gonna see if you see anything. And so when I paint it, I'm trying to get it smooth so you don't see the casting. But it's really not that crucial. So you got rust underneath that, so I'm just trying to get all that off before I put any paint or primer on it. That way I don't have to worry about the paint coming up. So if I don't put anything, I mean, if I don't get it off at all, it will definitely come up eventually. Stuff that the Scotch-Brite says. All right, so I pretty much got everything sanded down using the Dremel. Came out pretty all right, and I'm about to hit it now with this maroon Scotch-Brite, and then I'm gonna shoot some primer on it. So there go the calipers. Well, yeah, they both right here. I got them pretty scuffed up. I'm gonna hit this with the Scotch-Brite. Got the spindle, the bracket. So Scotch-Brite time. Then I'm gonna change the paper on this table, clean it off, and then I'm gonna get ready to shoot some primer. So, but yeah, you don't have to do all this, man. This only if you just, you know, you want to be picky like me. So, and when I get done with this, I gotta tape up all the, cause I'm taping up all these areas where the bolts go. I don't typically tape on that. I'm about ready to put some primer on it. So this is a epoxy paint I'm using on those parts. It says right here no primer needed, but I went ahead and primed them anyway. And this one is satin black. I actually got 2 cans, but the other one is gloss black. So hopefully I can get enough coverage with this one, so I don't have to go back to the store. But it covers pretty good. So. And I got some chicken breast I'm about to throw on there. That'll be my my meal prep for the week, the chicken breast. But yeah, this turned out pretty good. So I probably went overkill on the prep work, but that's just how I was taught. I mean, especially on these pieces, since they're just suspension pieces or brake pieces, you won't even see them, but I just like being thorough with it. So this is the second coat, pretty light. I ain't flipped them over yet. Like I said, man, I got some food on it. Well, I just took the burgers and dogs off. I added some more charcoal and wood. I'm getting ready to throw some chicken breasts on here. Oh yeah, she ready. So yeah, so I'm about to throw some chicken breasts on here. Hold on. Y'all thought I was playing, huh? I'm about to smoke this chicken. This will be pretty much my dinner and lunch for the week. I'm gonna chop it up and just eat salads with it. I got some, I think that's mesquite. Yeah, just some mesquite wood in there. Yeah, you don't need a smoker to smoke if you know what you're doing. You just need to know how to use that's just a Weber kettle. And I got the little flip up grate so I can throw wood in there whenever I need to add more. Calipers. Now I put primer on the front side. I'm not gonna worry about the back side. I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot it with this duplicate. Finally got everything painted up. Came out pretty good if I do say so myself. So check me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one together for y'all so you can see what a fully assembled one looks like. And then at the end of the video, I'll show you my Pro Force kit. Now with the sensor here, all I did was just took some wire cutters, just cut it. You know, you want to keep the sensor in there because you don't want water getting in here, because the water will mess up the bearing. But you want to you don't need the wire, so you just snip it right there, should be fine. So let me get one of these assembled, see what it look like. I know that I need new studs. I was trying to get them from Summit yesterday and today. They don't have them in stock. I think they're about 2 weeks out on the ones that I wanted. So I'm gonna check a couple more places before I place that order. But yeah, I do know I need other new studs because these are too short. So I just wanted to put that out there because a couple of people reached out to me on that first video and was telling me I need a new stud. So I am aware of that. So I'm trying to get my hands on a set or 2 sets of them. Did y'all see me? Y'all see me struggling with that? That's funny. But nah, man, I mean, it ain't on the car, so I ain't know which side was, man, whatever. So check it out, man. This is all done. That was funny as hell. So all done. Not too bad. I couldn't get the pads on because the pistons are pushed out too far. So I was gonna just put that on just to show y'all, but yeah, so here we have it. So this, like I say, will go right on the Gbody. Spindle a bolt right up to it. No modification needed at all. Not for this setup. Yep. Man, that came out real nice. All right, y'all, so let me, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna pull out my Pro Force stuff so I can show you. I'm putting this on the same time I put my Pro Force stuff on. So let me pull it out and show you what I got. I got the whole kit. So lower ball joints, upper ball joints. All this came in the, I think, yeah, everything came in the kit. Lower, upper, center link. This is what I really like right here. That's pretty dope. I like that. The tie rod sleeves. Got the tie rod. See what the other two right here. Here's the idler arm. Everything is E-coated black. Now I did go with Moog for the bushings because I'm gonna reuse my upper and lower control arms for now. So I'm just gonna take those off, clean them up, paint them with the chassis roll bar black, and just put new bushings and all the stuff in it. So I'm not worried about right now. I'm not worried about no tubular maybe, but I probably won't ever get that stuff. I will put coilovers on it, but I'm probably not gonna do tubular control arms in the front. In the rear, the upper are already tubular. They were already on there, so I'm just gonna replace those bushings, and I'm gonna put tubular lower in the rear, just because of the flex. And then when I redo the rear end housing with the new gears and the rear brakes and all that stuff, so all that, hopefully, like I'm doing everything right now for the front. When I get ready to do the rear end, it's gonna be new gear. Well, not new gears, because I think it's got 373, but I'm gonna put a 2-track posi in there, keep the same gears. I will get new gears, but I'm gonna stay with the 373 gears. New axles, rear brake conversion disc, and upper and lower control arm. Well, upper bushings, lower control arm, and then I'm gonna paint everything. Paint the housing black. So yeah, man. So that's all, man. I just wanted to show y'all. I hope this video wasn't too long, and I'm waiting for new straps for my tank from Tanks Inc. I think they were on back order or whatever, but I bought them. It's probably been like 3 weeks already. Payment went through. I'm just waiting to get a shipping confirmation. So as soon as I get those straps, the tank goes back up. When the tank goes back up, I turn the car around, and then I get to working on this stuff. And while I got that whole front end stripped down, I'm painting that frame, because that's the only part of the frame that I haven't painted was the front, because I was waiting to get all the suspension stuff off. So all right, man. Thank everybody for rocking with me. Wait, over here. Thank everybody for rocking with me. I want y'all to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Penny LS1. Holla at your boy.